Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I am here today with a little package from Ducky darlings, and I hope all is well. All's good here. I've had a really busy day and this is the first chance I've got to sit down and do this video. So what I wanted to talk about before I go on is I do have a Facebook group where we share all our works in progress, our finished objects and that. So if you'd like to join, it's called Linda's Crochet Nook, and I started it a couple of years ago now. And but obviously, as you know, I've moved on to knitting as well, so I've still kept it as my crochet nook, but obviously I still do my knitting. I still do my crocheting, but I've moved a lot more into my knitting for the last 6 months. So without further ado, let's get this package open and see what I purchased. Now this is one of the packages, guys, that I got between Christmas and New Year, and because we were things were going on and whatever, I just completely forgot about it, and when it came I just put it away in the cupboard, and this is one of the packages that I found. So I've been buying a lot of bougie yarn of late, guys, really have, and my plans for 2023 is to do a lot more knitting. I want to do wearables, and obviously I'm still carrying on with my socks as well, which is hashtag Sock It To Me 2023. And in the bag I've got Buxton Wool Gathering on the 11th and 12th of March, which is in Buxton. Oh, I'll have to check where that is. You never know, I might. I can book my tickets online. And then the 4th and 5th of March is in Flaxton, York. There's another yarn festival. And I got a nice little card from Ducky darlings saying thank you, which is really nice. So I can't for the life of me remember what I've all purchased, but I've purchased 3 sets of yarn. And it's wrapped really nicely in tissue paper, which is always good, isn't it? So the first lot, oh, I remember now, I remember. I got some Surrey alpaca silk, it's 50 grams, 74 alpaca, 26 silk, and this is called Ghost, which is a grey colour. Really nice. And I got this is, I think this is the cream, the natural colour, and this is only, I think this is 25 grams, and it's Surrey alpaca and silk as well. So they're a couple of the alpaca silk. I've been knitting with this on a sweater, the alpaca silk, with a merino, a superwash merino, and they work nice together, and I thought I'd give it a try. There's 300 meters in that, so I would say there's about 150 meters in this smaller one. So that's them two. Pop them down. The next package I bought, oh, I like these. These are sock sets, guys. This is superwash merino and nylon, 75 merino, 25 nylon. It's a 2 weight, and it's 120 grams. So this is 100 grams and this is 20 grams, and it is called Kingfisher. You see, I like all the colours, especially the oranges and the greens, which really reminds me of the bird, the kingfisher. So I got that one, and then I got this one, which is called Brew, which is like about the colour I have my tea. And again, this is superwash merino and nylon, the 100 grams, a 2 weight, which is 4 ply here in the UK, 425 meters, which is about 450 yards, and that is the same as well. So that is Brew, and that is Kingfisher sock set. And last but not least, guys, as I say, they're all wrapped up real. Oh, I love these. Very autumnal, guys. It's not Terry's, it's mine. Now, if you're in the UK, you will understand. Terry's is a chocolate orange, and it's shaped in a sphere, like a circle, and they come in segments, like segments of an orange. And this looks like there's stellina in here. Let me just see, I'll be able to tell you. Yes, there is. Superwash merino, nylon and nylon stellina. So there's 75 merino, 20 nylon and 5% stellina. There's 100 grams, and I thought, guys, I got 2 of them, 2 exactly the same, and I thought they would make a really nice autumnal shawl. What do you think? Or even a poncho, they would look really, really nice. Can you see all the browns and the oranges and rust colours? Look at the orange on that one. So yeah, so I'm thinking a really nice shawl. I've got plenty there, so I've got 850 meters, so near enough 900 yards. So that is the Ducky Darlings. So thank you, Ducky Darlings, for this yarn. What do you think, guys? What's your favourite? Is your favourite this one? Is your favourite this one, the Kingfisher, or the Brew? Or is it the alpaca silk? Let me know what your favourite is. But for me, I think they're all nice, but I think this has got to be my ultimate, because this is just speaks to me of fall and autumn, and it's something that I can work on this year, later on in the year. What do you think? So that is all from me for today, guys. Thank you all so very, very much for watching. Before I go, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you ever so much for stopping by and joining my YouTube family. I do appreciate it. Thank you to all my existing and long-standing subscribers. Thank you all so much, guys. You are what make this channel, and for that I do appreciate it, because without you guys I wouldn't be here. So thanks all so very, very much. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.